Urban Project, getting it done professionally.
Do this situation. I don't know how much dig up he did down there, but the toilets were supposed to come out, all the piping supposed to come out and redo. But after we clean it up, we'll figure it out and see what else needs to get done. But this is that. Huh? Just need to be sanded down. Oh, the kitchen. That I have to fix it up. Yep. So the furniture guy is gonna build a long drawer under the bottom for the mop and the broom, and then the regular cupboard doors. What's leaking? Okay, so something is leaking over there. Yeah, but that's that. Yep, and Courtney's doing it, and the other guy upstairs. It's gonna rain. That's rain.
Just make sure.
Come to buy faucet, but the freaking faucet them expensive. Oh God, why rapid? Why? I don't see it. Aye, you can assist me. How much is this one?
The what is? No, what's your real option? One of the jet dry. Not the jet dry, the super cement, you mean?
This is the other one. Oh, she didn't take that out. She didn't know she could. So this is it. The tile. And we gouge it out. Yep. So there we go. And the sink. Oh. Can take the pressure off the sink now.